that bottle to his head and pulled the trigger. He finally drank.
So I was searching on YouTube on videos on how to sing country better, and I found this one video where this guy gives a couple of tips and tricks on how to sing better, and in the end he goes out and sings country, and I was just blown away. So link up here if you want to check that video out. And I contacted this guy and said, hey, look, man, you've got such an incredible voice. Is there a way that, I'm just a scrawny little channel. Can we just maybe do something together? I know I'm totally insignificant, but is there some shape or form that we can just do a song together? So he got back to me and said, let's do Whiskey Lullaby. And he'd like to do it together with his wife. And I was like, hey, dude, that's an awesome idea. So in this song, we have Zach and Victoria Taylor. They hail from Winter Springs, Florida. They have a music school there, so go check that out if you're in the region. And they're going to sing here. So basically, I'm starting with this guitar. I don't know what's going to happen. This is just my first take. All these videos are going to pop in, and this song is going to evolve. And we also have Valerie joining in with the violin, which is also going to be sweet. She's going to be coming in this afternoon and recording. So this is just as real as music can get. And I hope you really get inspired to do music. And yeah, just make sure you hit that subscribe button. Just, comment. I'd love to hear from you. What do you like? What don't you like? And that's always awesome to hear. So here we go. Whiskey Lullaby, take one. I got to put the mic down too. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
She put him out like the burning end of a midnight cigarette. She broke his heart. He spent his whole life trying to forget. We watched him drink his pain away a little at a time, but he never could get drunk enough to get her off his mind until the night he put that bottle to his head and pulled the trigger. He finally drank away her memory. Life is short, but this time it was bigger than the strength he had to get up off his knees. We found him with his face down in the pillow, with a note that said, I'll love her till I die. And when we buried him beneath the willow,
just say